pastor does not know how to feed the children tonight. It is terrible. It has never happened anywhere. A school account to be closed and children are there. It has never happened anywhere in history. And that is why we addressed the president and the deputy president that closing an account of a school is effectively or constructively closing the school. They have failed to close the church, so they have constructively closed the school.
Is it true Pastor Ezekiel also held other foreign accounts?
The orders I have seen here are purely for Kenyan accounts. It is not true that Pastor Ezekiel runs any foreign account. This is the Shakahola story to associate pastors as account as foreign. And remember, Pastor Ezekiel is not a public servant, is not a civil servant. He's a Kenyan, and Article 32 does not restrict the church from doing what it is doing. We authoritatively confirm now that the state has come and announced, and it is a court order, that the Church of God has not been closed and shall not be closed. It is open, so those ones who are going to start Meza ya Bwana kesho, I'm told the Meza ya Bwana inaanza kesho for 6 days, and attendance per day is over 100,000. The whole world now knows Meza ya Bwana itaendelea uninterrupted, and everybody is welcome to attend. Equally, the state has confirmed that enough security of the police will be in place to manage that crowd. More than 15 bank accounts. They ran from his personal account, his wife's account, his children's account, the school account, the church account. So they have blanketly. I even don't know how you close a wife's account. It has never happened. Huh?
They are frozen the accounts of the church. They are frozen the accounts of the pastor. At least if it is the pastor you wanted, you could have frozen his accounts. Anybody else by extension who benefits or does work for the church and the school is now locked out. Were they given a chance to respond? It did not happen.